Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to reset your keyboard in Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, let's open the settings. Now you have to click on apps. If you can't find, you can go to the search bar. Just tap on here. Now you have to click on manage apps, click on search apps, and here you have to write Gboard, and you can see it is showing. Just tap on here. Now it will show here it is clear data. First you can clear cache from here, and you can also clear data. It will erase files, settings, account, database, and cache. And this is how you can reset it. I hope you like this video. And now let's open the keyboard, and you can see it is showing the default keyboard. And now you can see it will be reset. The themes I set it is on the default right now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.